So if I'm looking at the front of the screen, and I apologize for the glare, I can program my foot pedal, the back heel kick, to be several things. I recommend putting on the securing function because it does everything you want to do all at once. The other time I'm going to use it is when I'm in cruise control. So if I hit the domino looking icon next to the word man, then this changes. And what it's telling you is that to start stitching, you just need to push straight down, move your foot away, and then my foot pedal is an on-off switch, so I just tap it, and then I can start stitching. And then again, I just tap it to stop. And if I want to continue again, I just push straight down, and then I move my fabric. If when I'm stitching, I accidentally go forward, all it's going to do is go back to this menu and stop stitching. So if I want to go back to cruise control, I just tap the domino looking button, tap down on the back of the foot pedal, and then I can start moving. How I use my foot pedal when I'm stitching.